Hello everyone, my name is Thomas and welcome to my Lettercraft channel. In this video I will go through the various cuts you can face doing lettercraft and will share my tips and tricks for making your cuts more neat and precise. Okay, let's start with the most common straight cut. Here is the tool which comes very handy is metal ruler. And usually I use for long straight cuts box cutter. Blades are cheap and you can always break off the tip and you always have super sharp knife. If I have to make straight but short few centimeters cut, usually I do it that way. Just chop with my skiving knife. It makes me very easy to make precise cut. And one more tip, if you do straight cuts on a multiple glued leather, you might face problem when you make your cut straight but all your layers comes under the angle. I find out it makes me easier to keep knife perpendicular to cutting surface when I do it in standing position than sitting. For various curved lines best to use scalpel style knife, and the tip here would be to have kinda small piece of cutting mat and with other hand also manipulate when making cuts. Previous technique also works if you need to cut inside radius or even circles. If it's small inside radius, best would be to use punch tool and then make straight cuts. For round corners or up to full circle, I use such technique. Make as many straight cuts around as possible. It makes smooth and neat your round corner cuts. That's it from me today. Hope you found something new and useful. As always, all my crafts and PDF templates you can find at my webshop strhandmade.com or my Etsy shop, links down below in video description. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more upcoming videos and see you next time. Bye!